Everybody, welcome back. Water has come back just a little bit. Have a south wind, pretty strong south wind today. Wind gusts can be around 20 miles an hour. Sorry, you're on my face. Wind gusts can be around 20 miles an hour. We are just right before sunrise out here in Galveston, Texas, beautiful West Bay. I'm gonna put my drive in and we're gonna start getting going. But thanks for coming back. Today I'm gonna be targeting specks and reds. Hopefully I might catch a flounder or two tripping. Not tripping, but slipping. Put my drive in and we are going to... There we go. We're going to start fishing. Ready to go? I'm ready to go. Starting this morning off with a darker lure because, well, it's dark right now. Water clarity is excellent. I can already tell. So that's what I wanted to see. I haven't fished in this area in a while. I have fished, however, a couple times this week. This last week, went out with Charles and Justin, and we went to Christmas Bay, and I didn't do so well. Caught like one fish. Then I met up with a friend of mine, Mike, Texas Fishing Force, a couple days ago, and I caught again. I caught one little fish. Little speck that skunk out the boat. This little speckled trout right on that voodoo shad. Right there, little guy. Let him go. Start off with this H2O Express Meta. Woo! Ah, man, that water's cold. So, kind of looking for some redemption today. Looking to catch maybe two fish. This wind is going to be a challenge. I think it's going to be challenging me all day. Just as far as when it's windy like this, you always want to find a place with cover. I kind of got a little cover from this shoreline here, and I'll have a little more cover when I duck in this little creek up ahead. Little guy, sand trout, little sand trout, little baby, baby, need a cracker. Nice way to, nice to get the skunk out the boat. All right, so I'm gonna switch it up here. I brought a few gulp with me, and I have a half-ounce jig head, which is kind of heavy, but what I'm gonna hope is that it's going to, this color, this neon bright green, is really gonna penetrate this water color, this water clarity, so it's gonna be able to stand out pretty good along with that scent. And I have a chatterweight on it, so I'm gonna get that sound as well. And the reason why I'm going for it with a heavier ounce jig head is simply because we're so deep. But there we go. Like ribbon fish, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Caught me several one of them ribbon fish. Yeah, they kind of yucky. They all right though. They're my friend. Dang it. I lost it. It was a big red. Man, I just lost a big red. Oh my gosh, that felt so good. He just hit it and just took off hauling butt. Oh man, that felt good. I do not know what this thing is. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a red. It's like, I don't know what that is. It's a red. Let's see if we can get him. Turn it down a little bit. Oh, come on, buddy. Oop, 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 oop. Come on. Small guy. He'll be a slot though. Yes. All right. That is awesome. First slot of the year. Oh, 2021 in the kayak. First one. All right. First slot of the year, and man, it felt good. Gosh, you know, and I got him on a gulp. Had a gulp on earlier. I was kind of fishing on the bottom, seeing if I could catch a speckled trout, or really if I wanted a flounder, but I was kind of reaching for that a little bit. But yeah, so I already had a gulp on, so I left it on. Kind of a, golly, fishing with a bit of a heavier jig head, and he nailed it. Now this is the second red to hit this. Now I know this color works good in West Bay. Let's see where he's at. He's gonna be 24 3/4. 24 3/4. This beauty right here. Here we go. Nice red. 20, what did I say? 24 3/4. 24 3/4. Look at this guy. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. There's beauty. He's gonna go back and swim on, brother. Thank you very much for the fight. Oh yeah, he's very ready. Thank you very much for the fight. That is money, money, money. Fish on. Big one. Big flounder. Oh. Yes. All right, let me take my stakeout pole, little yak gear stakeout pole. Let me see where this is at. My trolling motor, my trolley anchor system. Let's put that down there. So you gotta always find a soft spot to put it in. There we go. There he goes. There he goes. All right, and just picked up this net. Oh, H2 from Academy H2O Express Net. Just picked that guy up, and I have been enjoying it last 2 nets, so that's good to go. Let's get this guy off and measure it up. That came out. Get my let's get the fish stick measuring board out. It's gonna be slot. Let's see this guy right here. He's gonna be 19 inches, just at 19. 19 incher. Beautiful, beautiful flounder. Let this guy go off the old board. Oh, there he goes. He's gone. All right, well, there you have it. Kind of a different day on the water as far as what to expect when I came out here, because I was targeting trout in deeper water. Instead, I found the fish in shallower water. Yes, the water temperature did heat up, and we did have some water tide, some water levels that increased because we have a southeast wind, and that southeast wind was kicking my butt today. I'm not gonna lie. It was more inconvenience and more awkward than anything, more annoying than anything. Came out and met up with Justin and Charles from Bite and Fight Angler and Charles from Dirty Bay Fishing. And don't forget to check out BFA VIP Club. We are all admin and all part of that clubs, and don't forget to check them out and join today and get some stuff like today. So today when I get home, I'm gonna throw up a fishing report and also some pictures, so anybody that is looking to go fish this week in West Bay will get that intel ASAP versus having to wait for the video to come out. But like I said, thanks for watching, thanks for coming back. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you could please, if you like the video, if you could please give a thumbs up, that really helps a lot. Until next time, hopefully you catch me, hook it up. Thanks.